Right now, we're observing an unusual sentiment score of -0.22 for climate discussions, coupled with a significant momentum drop of -0.66 over the past 24 hours. This decline stands out, particularly against the historical baseline where sentiment typically hovers around neutral. Our API provides you with real-time sentiment insights, including detailed semantic clusters, which can help you identify shifting public opinions and trends. This is especially crucial when you're developing climate-related applications or dashboards that rely on sentiment analysis to inform stakeholders or influence policy decisions. By integrating our climate sentiment data, you can pinpoint exactly when and why public sentiment is shifting, allowing you to react swiftly to emerging trends or crises. For comprehensive documentation, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.